Imagine unlocking the secrets of your soul with just a pen and paper. The practice of daily journaling is a transformative tool that can elevate your spiritual journey. It's more than just writing down thoughts, it's a profound way to connect with your inner self, explore your emotions, and gain deeper insights into your spiritual path. Journaling can serve as a mirror to your soul, reflecting your true essence and helping you grow. By dedicating a few moments each day to this practice, you can embark on a journey of self-discovery and spiritual enlightenment. Maintaining a daily journaling habit is crucial for spiritual growth. Without it, you might miss out on the profound insights and self-awareness that come from regular reflection. Think about all the clarity and understanding you could gain about your spiritual journey. Failing to journal regularly can leave you feeling disconnected from your inner self, struggling to find meaning in your experiences. The practice of journaling helps you stay grounded and mindful, providing a steady anchor in the whirlwind of daily life. Without this practice, you risk losing touch with your deeper purpose and the subtle messages that the universe is trying to convey to you. Daily journaling offers numerous benefits that can significantly enhance your spiritual growth. Firstly, it serves as a powerful tool for self-reflection. By writing down your thoughts and feelings, you create a space where you can explore your inner landscape without judgment. This process helps you understand your emotions, recognize patterns, and gain insights into your behavior and thoughts. Journaling enhances mindfulness and presence. When you take time to write about your day, your feelings, or your spiritual experiences, you are practicing being present in the moment. This mindfulness extends beyond your journaling sessions and into your daily life, helping you stay centered and aware. Moreover, journaling provides a tangible record of your spiritual journey. As you look back on your entries, you can see how far you've come, understand the lessons you've learned, and recognize the growth you've experienced. This record can be incredibly motivating and reassuring, especially during times when you feel stuck or uncertain. Another benefit is that journaling helps you articulate your spiritual goals and aspirations. Writing about what you want to achieve spiritually can clarify your intentions and make them feel more real and attainable. It's a way to set your spiritual compass and ensure you're moving in the direction that aligns with your true self. Lastly, journaling can be a source of comfort and solace. It provides a safe space where you can express your fears, hopes, and dreams without fear of judgment. This can be particularly therapeutic during challenging times, offering you a way to process and release negative emotions. In essence, daily journaling is a multifaceted practice that nurtures your spiritual growth, enhances self-awareness, and fosters a deeper connection with your inner self. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can transform your spiritual journey, bringing clarity, insight, and peace into your life. Starting a daily journaling practice can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to begin with simple steps and gradually build the habit. First, choose a specific time and place for journaling each day. Consistency is crucial, so find a time that works best for you, whether it's first thing in the morning, during a lunch break, or before bed. Create a comfortable and quiet space where you can write without distractions. This dedicated journaling spot can help signal your mind that it's time for introspection and reflection. Next, start small. You don't need to write pages and pages each day. Begin with just a few minutes of writing. Set a timer for 5 or 10 minutes and write whatever comes to mind. Don't worry about grammar, spelling, or making sense. The goal is to let your thoughts flow freely. Over time, you can gradually increase the amount of time you spend journaling as it becomes a more ingrained habit. If you're unsure what to write about, use prompts or questions to get started. For instance, you might begin with questions like, "What am I grateful for today?" Or, "What did I learn about myself today?" Prompts can help focus your thoughts and give you a starting point, making it easier to dive into the practice. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to journal. It's a personal practice that should feel natural and comfortable for you. The most important thing is to be consistent and patient with yourself as you build this new habit. With time, daily journaling will become an essential part of your spiritual routine, providing you with insights and clarity that enhance your overall well-being. Having the right tools and materials can make your journaling practice more enjoyable and effective. Start with selecting a journal that resonates with you. This could be a simple notebook, a fancy leather-bound journal, or even a digital journal if you prefer typing. Choose something that you feel comfortable using and that inspires you to write. Next, consider your writing tools. Find pens or pencils that you enjoy using. The feel of the pen on paper can make a big difference in your journaling experience. Some people prefer the smooth glide of a gel pen, while others might like the traditional feel of a fountain pen or the simplicity of a pencil. Experiment with different options to see what works best for you. If you're inclined towards digital journaling, there are numerous apps and platforms available. Apps like Evernote, OneNote, and Day One offer features that can enhance your journaling practice, such as cloud storage, easy search functionality, and the ability to include photos and audio recordings. Digital journaling can be particularly convenient if you're often on the go or prefer typing over handwriting. Consider incorporating other materials that might enrich your journaling experience. Stickers, washi tape, colored pens, and other decorative items can add a creative touch to your journal entries. These tools can help make your journal a more personal and engaging space, encouraging you to write regularly. Ultimately, the best tools and materials are the ones that you enjoy using and that make the process of journaling something you look forward to. By creating a pleasant and inviting journaling setup, you'll be more likely to maintain your daily practice and reap the benefits of consistent reflection and introspection. Despite the many benefits of journaling, it's common to encounter challenges that can hinder your practice. One of the most frequent obstacles is writer's block. When you sit down to journal and find that you don't know what to write, it can be frustrating. To overcome this, remind yourself that journaling is not about perfection or producing a polished piece of writing. It's about self-expression and exploration. If you're stuck, start by writing about why you feel blocked, or simply describe your current surroundings and how you feel in the moment. Often, this free writing will help break through the block and get your thoughts flowing. Staying consistent with journaling can also be challenging, especially during busy periods. To tackle this, set realistic expectations for yourself. If you can't manage to write every day, aim for a few times a week. Use reminders or alarms to prompt you to journal at your chosen time. Keeping your journal in a visible place can also serve as a physical reminder to write. Privacy concerns can be another hurdle. If you're worried about others reading your journal, consider ways to secure it. You might use a journal with a lock, store your journal in a safe place, or use password-protected digital journaling apps. Knowing that your thoughts are secure, remember that it's okay to miss a day or even a few days. Don't let guilt or frustration prevent you from continuing your practice. Journaling should be a source of comfort and clarity, not another task on your to-do list. Be kind to yourself and understand that every day is a new opportunity to pick up where you left off. By acknowledging these challenges and finding strategies to overcome them, you can maintain a steady journaling practice that supports your spiritual growth and personal development. Journaling can be a powerful way to deepen your spiritual practice by incorporating elements of spirituality into your writing. One way to do this is by using spiritual prompts and themes in your journal entries. For example, you can start with questions like, "How did I feel connected to the divine today?" Or, "What spiritual insights did I gain this week?" These prompts can help you focus on your spiritual experiences and reflect on them more deeply. Reflecting on your daily spiritual experiences is another way to incorporate spirituality into your journaling. Write about moments when you felt particularly connected to your spiritual beliefs, whether it was during meditation, prayer, or a moment of awe in nature. Documenting these experiences helps you recognize and appreciate the spiritual aspects of your daily life. You can also use your journal to document prayers, meditations, and spiritual insights. Write down the prayers you say or the mantras you repeat, and note any thoughts or feelings that arise during your meditation sessions. This practice not only helps you remember and reflect on your spiritual activities, but also allows you to track your spiritual progress over time. By integrating spirituality into your journaling, you create a sacred space for reflection and growth. Your journal becomes a spiritual companion, guiding you on your journey and helping you stay connected to your inner self and the divine. Using specific prompts can make your journaling practice more focused and meaningful, especially when it comes to spiritual growth. Here are some examples of journaling prompts that can help you explore your spirituality. Gratitude. Prompt: What am I grateful for today? Reflect on the blessings and positive aspects of your day. Expressing gratitude can shift your perspective and open your heart to more positive experiences. Self-reflection. Prompt: What did I learn about myself today? Use this prompt to explore your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. It can help you gain deeper insights into your actions and motivations. Spiritual connection. Prompt: How did I feel connected to the divine today? Reflect on moments when you felt a sense of spiritual connection, whether it was through nature, meditation, prayer, or another activity. Insight prompt: What spiritual insights did I gain this week? Take some time to review your week and note any significant spiritual realizations or lessons you learned. Intention setting. Prompt: What are my spiritual intentions for the coming week? Use this prompt to set clear and meaningful goals for your spiritual practice, helping you stay focused and motivated. These prompts can guide your journaling practice, making it easier to start writing and helping you delve deeper into your spiritual journey. By regularly using these prompts, you can enhance your self-awareness and spiritual growth. Daily journaling not only enhances spiritual growth, but also significantly impacts emotional well-being. Writing about your thoughts and feelings provides a healthy outlet for processing emotions, reducing stress, and promoting mental clarity. When you journal, you give yourself permission to express your innermost thoughts and feelings, which can be incredibly therapeutic. Journaling helps in identifying and understanding emotions. By writing about your experiences and reactions, you can uncover patterns and triggers that influence your emotional state. This self-awareness allows you to address and manage your emotions more effectively. Moreover, journaling encourages positive thinking. By reflecting on positive experiences, expressing gratitude, and setting intentions, you can shift your mindset towards a more optimistic and hopeful outlook. This practice can reduce anxiety and depression, fostering a greater sense of well-being. Journaling can enhance your problem-solving skills. When faced with challenges, writing about them can help you explore different perspectives and come up with creative solutions. It provides a space to brainstorm and reflect, leading to better decision-making and resilience. Overall, the emotional benefits of journaling are profound. It serves as a valuable tool for managing stress, enhancing self-awareness, and promoting mental and emotional health. While journaling is often a solitary practice, sharing your journaling journey with a community can enrich the experience. Joining or starting a journaling group allows you to connect with others who share similar interests and goals. In a journaling group, members can share their entries, offer support, and provide feedback. This sense of community can be motivating and inspiring, encouraging you to maintain your journaling practice. Sharing your insights and experiences with others can also deepen your understanding and provide new perspectives. When you discuss your journal entries, you might discover new meanings or interpretations that you hadn't considered before. This exchange of ideas can enhance your spiritual growth and broaden your horizons. Encouraging mutual support and accountability is another benefit of sharing your journaling journey. When you commit to journaling alongside others, you are more likely to stay consistent and dedicated. The support from your journaling community can help you overcome challenges and stay motivated. By opening up about your journaling practice, you create a space for connection, learning, and growth. Whether it's through a formal journaling group or informal sharing with friends, being part of a journaling community can make your practice more fulfilling and impactful. Maintaining a daily journaling practice offers long-term benefits that extend far beyond immediate reflection. Over time, journaling deepens your self-awareness and enhances your spiritual understanding. By regularly documenting your thoughts, feelings, and experiences, you create a rich record of your personal and spiritual journey. This record allows you to see patterns, track your growth, and gain insights into your development. As you continue to journal, you'll likely notice an increase in clarity and focus. Writing helps organize your thoughts and clear your mind, making it easier to identify your goals and priorities. This clarity can lead to more intentional and purposeful actions, both in your spiritual practice and everyday life. Journaling also strengthens your ability to cope with challenges. By reflecting on past experiences and how you overcame obstacles, you build resilience and confidence. You'll be better equipped to handle future difficulties with a positive and proactive mindset. Additionally, long-term journaling fosters a sense of continuity and stability. It provides a consistent space for reflection and self-expression, which can be comforting and grounding. This stability can enhance your overall well-being and contribute to a more balanced and harmonious life. The long-term benefits of journaling are profound, impacting your spiritual, emotional, and mental health. By committing to a daily journaling practice, you invest in your growth and create a lasting foundation for self-discovery and enlightenment. Developing a daily journaling practice is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your spiritual journey. By dedicating time each day to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and experiences, you can gain deeper insights into your inner self and spiritual path. Journaling helps you stay mindful, process emotions, and connect with your spirituality on a profound level. With the right tools, consistency, and a supportive community, you can overcome challenges and make journaling an enriching part of your daily routine. Embrace this practice, and you'll discover the many benefits it brings to your life, fostering growth, clarity, and a deeper connection to your true self.